I'm in Indiana and I just stopped at a giant casino to get a drink, a free pop, to get a pop, and I turned my $10 of free play into $5 in cash. I got lucky. The clearance was 7.9 and I'm 7.8. I'm gonna do something I've been meaning to do for like 3 states now. Everyone's little washer buckets are frozen. Dinner tonight is chicken thighs with some spicy ramen and mixed vegetables. I'm at a rest stop in Brea, Kentucky, but there is nowhere within an hour and a half where you can park overnight because they have an city ordinance, and a lot of cities in Kentucky do. And they are actually patrolled, so I got here at 5:55, and apparently you need to get a parking permit to park overnight. The building closes at 6, but luckily I was able to get one and use the bathroom. The bathrooms also close at 6, so that kind of sucks. I slept over here last night. It's pouring rain, but unfortunately my raincoat is up in my roof thing, and I don't want to get wet going to get it, and I don't want all my stuff in there to get wet. I stayed here last night. I got here at 5:55, and apparently the rest area closes at 6, and you need a permit to park overnight. So I was able to get a permit to park overnight. I was the only one here. The bathrooms and everything closed at 6, so that was kind of unfortunate. It also isn't open today, so that kind of sucks. So right now I'm gonna go head from Kentucky to Tennessee, and I'm going to find a Planet Fitness on the way there so I can take another shower, go to the bathroom and stuff. I got my Hot Logic going again with the leftover chicken thighs. Just gonna have buffalo chicken for either lunch or dinner, probably dinner. I just got out of the Planet Fitness. It's still pouring. It's gonna be raining where we're going to, probably the whole way there. So I'm just gonna try to drive straight and get to where we're going so I can set up where I'm going to camp for a couple days, and check out nearby if there's anywhere I can DoorDash or Instacart. I was trying to do some DoorDash and Instacart in Dayton, Tennessee, but I only made like $30 in 3 hours, so I decided to go find something to do because I've been sitting in the car too much. And I looked up parks nearby thinking I would just go to a walking path, and this was 10 minutes away from where I was. It's called Pocket Wilderness. Guess there's a bunch of waterfalls and stuff. I'm just in the parking lot now. So I'm gonna go on a little hike, see what I can find. found this really creepy tunnel that's dark. I'm not going to go in it because it's by myself. I'm not going to go in it because I'm by myself and I'm kind of afraid of cats. I think I'd like to come back here when I have more than an hour to kill and spend the day here.